It's finally happening, y'all. I am getting plastic surgery. So if you guys don't know by now, I am having plastic surgery. I am so excited. I am ready to go. So come with me while I show everything I'm bringing. Pack with me. Come on, let's go, let's go. This girl a mess, y'all. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you've been around here a while. I am Kendra. This is Kendra Creates. This is my space where I share my life with you guys. I also talk about wild and crazy things on the internet and beyond. So if that stuff sounds good to you, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you are at it. So today we are going to be packing, like legit packing, like my flight leaves in the morning. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I am bringing along, and I'm going to Mexico, so I am indulging in the practice of medical tourism. That's where I'm having my surgery. My first day, I'm actually going to be getting some dental work done. My second day, I am going to be, no, that's not true. That is true. The first day, I'm going to be getting my consultation for my dental work, also my consultation for my plastic surgery. My second day, I'm going to be getting some dental work done, and I'm going to be getting my lab test done, along with like my electrocardiogram for my heart, to make sure I am in healthy condition, so that on the third day that I am there, I will actually have surgery. Okay. So they want to make sure that you are fit to have surgery before you actually have it. And then once I have surgery on that third day, that fourth day, I will be transferred to a recovery home where I will recover for a week. So if you stay in a recovery home, most recovery homes have all the like supplies that you need, as far as like for your wound healing and things like that. So the top tip is to pack light. So we are going to get into some of the things that I am going to bring. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is my clothes that I'm bringing. I'm not going to be bringing very many clothes because I am going to be inside and recovering. This is not a vacation. I'm not going to be sightseeing. I'm not going to be going hiking. So I need to make sure that I am comfortable, as most comfort as possible. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to definitely bring, and this is for on the basically on the plane ride home, is just like some very loose sweatpants. These were actual sweatpants that I wore, when I was a bigger gal. These are literally a 2X. So these are freaking huge. They're going to be very roomy and very comfy for me. And I'll just wear them back on the plane ride with a t-shirt. They also suggest that you bring a robe, and I do have my little leopard print robe here to go over you, because you'll be cold and you'll need to make sure you have a robe. I love my robe. I've had it so long. And the next thing is you need to bring some pajamas to wear. And they recommend that you bring ones that button up. So these button up. So you don't want to be like lifting over your head like that, because I am going to also get a breast augmentation, a breast lift and a breast augmentation, because, I'm kind of flat chested. So yeah. So I do have two pairs of pajamas that I'm going to bring. And then they also suggest you bring like some gowns or whatever. So this is just like one of the gowns that I'm going to bring, just like a long little gown, and make sure whatever clothes that you bring, make sure that it's like clothes that you don't mind getting messed up, because you're going to be leaking. It's probably going to get bloody, and who knows whatever else is going to happen. I'm also going to bring some underwear. I'm not sure how much of the underwear that I'm going to bring that I'm going to actually wear, but we will see. I will bring some underwear for sure. and they're going to be black in color just in case they get messed up. So they also recommend you bring in some slip-in shoes. So I will be bringing my Crocs. Also, you want to have some slippers. I will be bringing those um, to walk around in. And then also, I always bring like some flip-flops to shower in because I don't know that shower situation. Yeah. So that's kind of it for like the clothes and the shoes. And then we're going to get on to, I guess we'll go with the additional supplies. Yeah, we'll go with that. So every time I travel with this little bag here and it contains like medicine. So anytime I travel with medicine. So I do have some motion sickness pills. I have some stomach relief pills. I have some gas relief pills. I have some Alka-Seltzer. I have some loratadine allergy pills. And then I also have some Tylenol. And this is honestly usually what I travel with, just in case. Like, I don't play any games about being sick while I'm traveling because I hate to be sick and I hate feeling bad. So I make sure that I always bring a medicine chest with me. Also, speaking of medicine, so if you have not checked out my supplements video, vitamins, go ahead and check that out. These are the vitamins that you're going to take to prepare you for surgery. But then you're also going to take vitamins after surgery. So you're going to take supplements after surgery. So what I have here is my little chest, my medicine chest of supplements that I'm going to be taking when I'm recovering. And most of these were the same ones that I took before my recovery. The only ones that I added in was fish oil supplements and also a probiotic. So go back and look at my supplements video and it'll tell you everything that I'm taking before. It'll be the same things that I'm going to take after because it's important for your healing process to make sure that you get all healed up and you're ready to go and you're good. A lot of people talk about itching, so I do have some itch cream, like hydrocortisone cream. I don't know if I'm going to itch, but I got some. Also, you are going to have to bathe. They recommend you bathe with an antibacterial soap like Dial. So I do have that. I'm like already bathing with it because they say you should do it like a day or two in advance, but I'm doing it like 3 days in advance because I'm crazy like that, I guess. So I was looking for a soap container to hold my soap. So I have my container to hold my soap. I had to get one of those because I don't usually use soap. I use like just body wash or whatever. And then also antiseptic skin cleanser. So this is just like the off brand of the Hiba Cleanse. I'm gonna wash with this the day of surgery to make sure that I'm all clean and ready to go. Okay, I want to be ready to go, all clean and ready to go. I also have here some compression socks, and these literally came from Dollar Tree. So I have 2 pairs of compression socks, just in case one is dirty and it needs to be washed. So I made sure to get 2 pairs. And then they said that this thing is going to be a lifesaver, what I bought. And so basically, it is female urinal, okay? Because they say that you are going to have a time trying to use that potty. And I always use the word potty because that's the word I use with my baby. And then I also got like a pack of thank you cards, just to give to the staff and everybody that's gonna help me, because they do talk about like tipping people. So I just thought upon my exiting, I would just give them a thank you card with some money in it, just to show my appreciation because I know that, the rate of currency is not like the same. So I just look out for them as they look out for me, even though it is their job to do. And then another thing that I'm bringing that I don't have, because it's somewhere else in another room, is I'm going to bring a extension cord. so that I can have my devices plugged in if I need them ready to go, charged up and everything. Because I am going to be vlogging. I should be vlogging. Hopefully, I'm not too weak, tired, sick, or in pain, because I do want to document my experience so people kind of have an idea and know what's going on. Um, and let me get one more thing. I am going to also bring these right here. It says that they're like period underwear. I had already had these, but they're full undies or whatever. But they're not gonna get messed up because they're gonna be able to catch like any kind of blood drainage, liquid seepage, whatever. So I'm gonna bring some of them. I'm not sure if I need them or not, or if they're gonna have that stuff for me, but just in case, I'm going to bring it just to have it. So there's that. And the next thing I'm going to talk about is some, you'll see. Okay, so this rounds out about the ending of what I am going to be bringing with me. I did get other supplies like for wound healing and gloves and stuff like that, but I'm not showing that just because they already have that stuff at the recovery house. But if you guys want me to like make an additional video about like what I actually used or what I actually needed, I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to talk about it. But yeah, so this is like the main thing. I'm like, how did I forget this? So this is my BBL pillow because I am getting a BBL, y'all. So yeah, this is my BBL pillow. It came from Amazon. Like it was cheap. I want to say it was like $13, $14. I'm not sure. Because they do have some that are like $50. And I'm like, what? It's literally the same thing. The other things just are cute in their brand name, I guess. I don't know. But on to food and hydration. I have these packets of protein powder because protein will help you heal up. So I make sure to bring some protein powder. I have packets of those. And then also you want to make sure that you're hydrated. So I have hydration packets here. I got all of these from Dollar Tree. And they were literally $1.25. So hopefully these will help me with being hydrated and getting energized after my surgery. But that is pretty much it as far as what I'm bringing with me. And then of course, toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, normal things that you would bring. But these are just, I guess you could say, special little supplies that I normally would not bring. Besides my medical bag. I always bring that. I make sure to bring that. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to be sharing my journey with you guys. And if you're sharing your journey, I would love to hear about yours as well. And also reach out to me if you have any kind of questions or anything. I'm always willing to help. And I'm so excited and so ready to go. By the time you see this video, I should have already been operated on, which is crazy to think about. But I appreciate you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you continue to spread kindness and neighbor life. Bye bye.